clear that side branch now.
Got it.
Watch the falling vines. Look at the structural decay here. It's completely eaten through.
And the seals are totally gone. This is worse than we thought.
Look at that. It's the star. Incredible, completely overgrown. Ratchets are tight. Clear the area.
Ready for tension. Take it slow.
Team, this is the T2. Let's get a full damage assessment done.
I'm checking the frame now. The rust is deep.
We can handle it. This is what we do. This entire lower panel is compromised. All right, mark it for the cut line. We can't save any of this.
The corrosion here is extensive, especially around the wheel arch. Noted. The chassis might need full replacement in this section.
Look at that yellow coming through.
It's beautiful. We can start the tear down tomorrow. Check the lower flange, right there.
Yeah, that's completely gone. We'll need a patch panel.
Look at the state of this leaf spring. It's completely shot.
Yeah, the caliper reads almost nothing left here. We'll have to replace the whole
See
assembly.
the crack right here on the rib belt? That needs immediate replacement.
And this connector is definitely showing signs of corrosion. We'll add it to the rebuild
Carefully
list.
now, don't want to damage the threads.
Almost there. Where does the old hose go?
Tray C, with the other damaged lines.
This thing is heavy. Ready to pull it out? Yeah, let's get it to the bin. This whole section is paper thin right here.
And look at this gaping hole near the pedal box. We're definitely cutting this out.
Yeah, mark that for replacement.
This structural imperfection here needs a complete cutout and replacement.
I agree.
Let's mark this for the thicker gauge metal.
Keep it steady, watch the fender. Got it. Easy now.
I've applied the sealant, ready to drop the top.
Careful now, make sure the shafts align perfectly. Listen for the click.
Easy now, just a fraction left.
Perfect, hold it there.
Securing the front mounts.